Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close position in Metatrader 5. First, open your Metatrader 5 app. When it loads, you will usually be the codes page. But if you already have an active trade, go to the trade section where all your open positions are shown. From there, find the trade you want to close, tap and hold on it, and a small menu will appear. Now select close position. After that, confirm the close option at the bottom. It doesn't matter if the trade is in profit or loss. You can close it the same way. Once you confirm, the trade will be closed immediately and removed from your open positions. That's it. That's how you close a trade on MetaTrader 5. If you found this helpful, check out more tutorials like this and I will see you in the next one.